I've checked out your Amazon storefronts. You're an Amazon influencer. You have a lot of videos there that you're publishing, pros and cons, right? All the different products. First off, how much are you making now with Amazon influencer per month? And second of all, what's the plan with that?
Okay, so the Amazon influencer program, right now, to answer the question, right now I'm making about 1 to 2K. Last year, I was making 5 to 8K. The thing
Why?
is that it got heavily oversaturated because, like, people in the beginning, they hate it. This was the thing. When in the first 2 years, no one was making videos about it because everyone who jumped onto the ship didn't want to share it with the world, only because then it would, like, people would jump on it. Yeah.
My
People
mom's calling me.
Pick it up, George.
Yeah, this
You
is
should.
not a coincidence.
Hey, mom, I'm doing a podcast.
Now you can apply what you said,
Timing.
right? And it's just gonna, fuck work. I'm going to, bye guys. You have the opportunity right there.
Okay, continue.
Back to the things. So the thing is that everyone was protecting it. Then the builderpreneur, it's like a YouTuber, he made a video about like new way how to make money. Of course, he had like affiliate link for the course for the Amazon influencer program there. But I'm like, I couldn't fall asleep that night. I'm like, no way. And
Because
I jumped
of the competition, or
my heart was racing about how big opportunity it was. Is that you could start making videos, and I couldn't fall asleep. I'm like, from now on for the next half year, I'm going to make only videos about that. So I was just like buying the stuff like that. I was like making videos. I had like 15 products at home, just spamming it. And the thing is, it started working. But right now it's got oversaturated. I got like different way how to do it. But what I find more and more is that you just want to focus. If everybody's listening, as you see a perspective, if you're going to focus on a niche, let's say like indoor cameras, right? Then you would make videos only about that. And you would research everything about it. Or because then you can get a cooperation with those companies. They're going to pay when they're going to release a new product, and they're going to give you a lot of money because you are the one who is making in that niche. And you are like really concentrated. And this is something that I perceive is that with the physical products, like it's a possible way, but you have to, again, find something, how you can get the products cheap, how you can possibly return them, how you can, you have to figure it out.
Logistic-wise,
I wouldn't go to laptops. I wouldn't go to mobiles. All those electronics that are like heavily oversaturated. The same thing with credit cards. Like there's such an oversaturated niche right now. When like best credit cards, US, the whatever, American Airlines. You just have to find your thing there and just have to focus on it.
Yeah, I'm curious as well. Like, of course, you're focusing on the Amazon thing, and it's like decreased a little bit, but still brings in a lot of money. But how is your YouTube revenue going? Because you still have a big catalog of YouTube videos. Like, is that really stable still, or is it decreasing a little? How's that side looking?
It's stable. And right now I'm building new channels that are earning like, let's say $10, $20, $30. I'm scaling those. I find some new ways. So that I'm like testing right now. And I'm always testing. So right now, yes, it's stable. It earns about $400, $500, just the AdSense revenue a day. And it's stable. It's been really stable. And what I found out is that the physical products, I have tutorials, are the most stable ones. Okay. Is that's what I perceive, is that they are the most stable ones because not a lot of people are going to compete with you, and it's like they can't. Is that
the barrier to entry is higher for that because you actually need to have the products.
Yes, therefore I'm like, okay, this is the way. And this is something that I've found is that if you can get a really just small product that are not like, how we get a washer or a dishwasher, it's really big to make
big commission though.
Yeah. But when you have a small things like a pair, the headphones and stuff like that, when there's a new product, there is a possible way how you can win. And that's about it. But yes, of course, like a few years back, there's like a Tech Express or even a social, like those high CPM.
Yeah.
And I mean, they're killing it.